Trades. Project participants, subcontractors, companies or authorities are defined in lcmd as trades in the trade list. In this video, you will learn how to create and change trades for use in the process plan and whiteboard. To the single steps. Create a new trade. Click in the process plan on the trade list icon on the right-hand side of the bar and then on New Trade. Enter a name, assign a desired color, and select a fitting icon and click Create New Trade. The trade appears in the list and can be used. To create a process with this trade, drag and drop it into the process plan. Double-click in the process to add a process name. If you want to add milestones, drag and drop the diamond-shaped tile next to the trade tile into the process plan. Under Profile in the Preferences, the view of the processes can be switched between the standard view with icon and trade name and a reduced view. Change name and color of a trade. If you want to change a trade, select the pencil for editing in the corresponding trade tile. Enter a new name, change the color and the icon, and click on Save Trade. If you no longer need a trade, click on the trash can icon and then on Delete. Processes of deleted trades remain in the schedule and are displayed in green by default. Change trade in the process. First, select the process to which you want to change the trade. Then navigate to Process Details in the right-hand sidebar to access the properties of the process. In the Trades area, click on the pencil to edit. Select the new trade in the dialog field by ticking the box. Multiple selection is not possible. Click on Save to change the trade for the process. Trades in the whiteboard. It is also possible to create or edit new trades in the whiteboard. The procedure in the whiteboard is identical to the process plan. Did you like our tutorial? Then please like and share it. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find more tutorials in our Help Center. Do you have any questions? Then contact us at support@lcmd.io.